Now we're gonna put it on a clock. Alright, let's start.
Oh.
Because all the batteries inside.
Yeah.
The neighbors were driving by looking at us like, what the fuck are they doing? Hopefully the door don't shoot open. Oh shit. Oh shit, it's actually lifting it up, trying to explode.
Damn, that was bright as lava.
Yeah, it's melting the glass.
Holy shit. Radiation's crazy.
Yeah. I'm gonna open it. Alright, there's a little tiny little fire on the top. Oh god.